Here at Juno, we understand that time and money are everything. With this in mind, we created the Juno Canless Wafer Downlight, the downlight that keeps distributors, contractors, and homeowners in mind. With its innovative slim design, our canless wafer eliminates the need for traditional recessed housings. Traditionally, you'd purchase a housing, plus a trim, plus a lamp for a complete solution, resulting in extra stock boxes, extra products to install on the job site, plus extra waste. With canless wafer downlights, you only need to purchase one thing, the wafer, saving you time and space, while having a positive environmental impact. With fewer products to install, the wafer's canless design installs quickly and easily into as little as 3 inches of plenum, allowing for it to fit into ceiling spaces where most traditional recessed housings do not. Once installed, our wafer provides various solutions ranging from switchable color temperature or an all-in-one design with switchable color temperature and adjustable lumen output. The technology in our solution gives the distributor, contractor, and homeowner the ultimate flexibility by providing the equivalent of 15 static fixtures in one. But our wafer doesn't stop at design. It is also aesthetically pleasing for both residential and light commercial spaces. It is available in 5 trim styles, 4 sizes, and 4 finish options to provide a solution for any and every application needed. With inventory readily available for same-day shipments from our North American distributor centers, our wafer is perfect for everyday lighting jobs along with larger projects. Get them today through your preferred authorized distributor or retailer.